What a morning this is going to be.
Carl's coming back, baby!
You freaking smash!
Man, that was awesome.
Hey folks, when it counts, I'm your guy.
The corn man.
Golden formation! Yeah, golden formation!
You know this freak baby today.
The hunt's not gonna end because of this.
Oh, now you got it.
Attaboy!
His first hook limit!
I'm so proud of him right now.
This is as good as it gets. Well, we thought we were on the birds before. This is insane. So you're about to see hunt number 3 of this Christmas holiday break week period of mine. First 2 hunts we did just fantastic. We're really on the birds. Heading out again and hope to be on the birds again. We got 3 sleds. We got the HTR A-frame. We're gonna haul in.
And we got 3 able-bodied men.
Here we've got the HTR A-frame in a big old sled. I don't think that's even gonna feel all that heavy.
I don't think so.
I think you're gonna be good to go. If it seems light, let me know. I'll throw my pack in there.
Yeah, I won't say anything.
Ooh, man. These willows are not fun to pull this crap through, I'll tell you that. Not fun. We got about 40 minutes. We're getting the A-frame totally brushed up. We got tree cover on top. I don't think they're gonna see us at all.
Not.
This is looking pretty good.
Yes, can't get much better than this.
No. Well, it's really dark and cloudy today. Really dark and cloudy today. But the ducks are moving and working for sure right now. All right, be ready, be ready. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Wait till he clears. There we go.
That's what I got.
Yeah.
It was so dark.
It was really dark. You did a good job of waiting. I should probably go out there with him too.
I can go out too.
Well, let's have one guy stay. Let's just see if he doesn't find it right away. So dark. Get him. If you can see him, get him.
Oh my gosh.
Are you ready?
There's 2 on the left here.
Get him if you will. No.
No. There's one coming straight for us. They're flaring.
Alright, ready? Get him. I think you got one there.
Hold on, don't shoot that stuff. I think Jack got one. Oh my gosh, there's ducks everywhere. Unfortunately, we've got 2 birds, we've got 2 hens. But that's just, it's so dark you can't tell right now. And they're doing it really well. What are you?
Ducks everywhere.
A boy's first duck.
First duck.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. They're pouring in here.
Ooh, Elliott right here. But he's still alive. Get him. I think he got him that time. He's dead.
No, he's still going.
Atta boy.
There we go.
Get in here.
Numero uno.
That's right.
Numero uno. Hen.
Boy's first duck.
Right here.
Atta boy. Nice. I'm so happy for you, man.
Thanks,
So
man.
happy for you.
First one. I was wondering why I had him in my feet.
Get him, Jack. Dang it.
Uh-oh. Oh. That one got away.
Bad shooting. Gosh darn it. Boy, bad shooting.
Yeah.
I was talking more about me. Get him, get him. Yes!
Nice.
All right, he's dead. Go get him. Good job, buddy. Alright, he's dead. Go get him.
Atta boy.
That one felt good, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Connected.
That was a big too.
Did you see how vertical he dropped?
I just saw him right
He
here.
dropped, like straight.
That was awesome. Man, he was hovering there and
All flapping on him. Nice.
yeah, boy's first green. Atta boy, Jack. You got it.
First green. A boy's first green. Shot that shot. I just want him hovering.
Yeah.
They're doing it right, so
Yeah.
just want him hovering.
That's two, man. Atta boy. He's dead. He's
You need
dead.
to go get your far one.
Yeah.
That's two, baby.
Oh man, it's heating up.
Is that 4 for you?
Hello, you in there?
So you got 4,
Yeah.
right? Three Drake. You got 1 more duck and you're done.
Seriously?
Yeah. Atta boy. Look at that.
I got a double there. Dang it! I thought the first one was a drake. Sorry, buddy. Oh, nice, got him.
Attaboy. Nice.
And that's a little Jackie Poo limit. His first duck limit.
I'm so proud of him right now.
This is as good as it gets. So, the only thing I'm really disappointed about is if we had that whole flock come in, I could have swore that first duck was a drake, dropped it, went to the second one, wasn't sure if it was a drake or in, shouldn't have pulled the trigger, down to that one, doubled on hen. So that's the only downer, the only downside is I've got 4 ducks, 2 ducks, 2 hens. But what they are decoying 10, 15 yards. This is insanely awesome. I don't see one that's white winged. Did you? I don't see one that's white winged. Did you? Oh, right here.
I don't know.
Found it.
Still alive, dude. Right there.
And I got
right
an
there.
awesome shot of that one. So you got 3.
I thought I hit him pretty dang hard.
This is the greatest hunting.
Yeah. We're finishing close. So Aiden's got 3. We need 3 left for our limit. Let's just do it one at a time, unless we get a flock or something, but
Yeah.
even then.
Freaking smash, baby.
What time is it anyway, I wonder?
I have no idea.
I don't know either. It's probably around 8, yeah. But
So within an hour shot?
oh yeah, we'll probably, yeah. I bet you we're done within 15 minutes now. Yeah. But this HTR A-frame, guys, you've got to go check it out. I'll put a link in the description. You can get 10% off with an FDH10 promo code.
I didn't see those.
Oh. And that is our limit. Man, what a crazy sick hunt that was.
amazing.
That was awesome.
Look, they're still trying to come in. Come on in, baby. You can do it. Look at him trying to come in.
Okay.
Check this out.
Is he actually going for it? Why are we even in here?
Oh my gosh.
That was amazing. I bet it's like 810, 850.
Yeah. Well, there's the HTR A-frame. Sure worked well for us today. Well, my cameras are getting wet. Here comes another one. Here comes another one.
Oh.
Check this out. Is it a hen?
Yeah.
There she goes. Let's just sit here for a little bit and watch and have coffee.
I like that idea.
Okay. I wish I could do more filming. It is 8:07. We shot our 3-man limit in less than, they're just still piling in here. We shot our 3-man limit in less than an hour. About 50 minutes. So, what a spectacular. We are on the birds right now. We are on the birds.
It's never happened on a beginner hunt.
That's fun.